Why does the code not store all values in memory but still works? In Python, we have a concept of iterator and generators. An iterator is an object that gives values one by one, and generator is a function that returns value one by one using yield. First of all, let's see what is iterator. Iterator is an object that gives values one by one. So let me create a list nums and I will pass one. So I create a variable with name nums and I will store the list with 3 items 1, 2 and 3. So in nums list we have 3 items. Then I am going to apply iter on nums and then I am going to store it, let's say it, and if I print next then it and print next t. So save my code, run my code. As you see, I am getting for the first print I am getting 1, for the next print I am getting 2, and if I write print next it, save my code, clear my terminal, run my code. As you see, I am getting 1, 2, 3. So what does it mean? This part of code converts list into iterator and this part of code gives next value. That's why on each line we are getting 2, 3, the next one, not the old one. So if I print next it, save my code, clear my terminal, run my code. As you see, I am getting an error, and this error is expected. Whenever the values end, these errors will happen. Why we get the stop iteration? Because an iterator has limited value. Iterator has limited value. Once all values are used, nothing left to return, then Python raises stop iteration. That's mean no more data. Let me understand more deeply. On first call next it will print 1, on the next call, on the second time call it gives 2, on the third time call it gives 3, on the fourth time next call no values left. Python says stop iteration. Think like this, iterator is a box of items and you take items one by one, and if you take all the items then box will be empty. That's why Python says stop iteration. Why Python says this? Python needs a signal to say loops are finished, no more values available. That signal is equal to stop iteration. Stop iteration signal says no more values available. So in Python we have a loop. Python uses next, catches stop iteration, stop loops safely on stop iteration. That's why we not get an errors when we use loops. So now let's see what is generator in Python. Let me comment all this code. And here, generator is a function that returns value one by one. Let me create a function, my gen, and then colon, yield 1, yield 2, yield 3. Save my code, and if I call this function g my gen and print next g, clear my terminal and run my code. As you see, I am getting 1, and if I print, copy this, paste one time, paste 1 next time. So if I clear my terminal, run my code, as you see I am getting 1, 2, 3, and if I print again and paste it here, clear my terminal, as you see I am getting stop iteration for the generator as well. But in generator we have yield. Yield basically passes function, remembers the state, give next value on demand. So I hope this will make sense for you. So what is the difference between iterator and generator? In iterator we create using the iter, but in generator we are creating the feature with yield. But the code of iterator is more complex and the generator is simple. The memory is for the iterator is efficient, but for the generator is very efficient. Let's see why the generator is more efficient. Let me comment all this. We have two statements. On the first statement here, this creates a list. Python creates all 1 million values at once, stores them in memory, and the memory looks like this for the list here. This will work fine, but the problem is use a lot of RAM, slow to create a big data. And the next one, this one is this creates a generator object. Python does not create all values. It creates only when needed. And generator values are generated one by one. So I hope this will make sense for you.